Alright, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make paper roses. It's supposed to be a red paper, but since I don't have a red paper with me right now, I just use some random origami paper. Okay, so the first step is that you want to make the trace on the paper that across diagonally, horizontally, and vertically. So for that, you just need to fold the paper in half. Now we got the vertical one. Now it's the horizontal one. And now it's the diagonally. Oh, and also the size of the paper can be bigger, but since I don't have big paper, I just use some small paper to demonstrate. But in reality, it should be bigger than this. Okay, one more. Okay, cool. So now we got the trace in all directions. So now what you want to do is wrap the trace, the horizontal trace, and fold it into a triangle. This step can be a little hard, but since there's a trace, it'll be much easier than when it doesn't have a trace. I suggest doing one side at a time and then push the top down to make a triangle. Okay, so now you have a triangle here. So this is before and after. Alright, so now you want to pull the base of the triangle and fold it to the top. So do once at a time. Okay, so now with these two triangles, you're gonna open them up. Put your finger in, open them up, and then push it down to make a square. Put your finger in, push it down, make a square. Okay, and then with the square, you're gonna fold it in half. So repeat this step for the other side. So fold up the triangle. Okay, and push it down. And then fold the square. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. So for this next step, there's the top half that is a triangle. You want to fold it down. Okay, and now with your finger holding this triangle, you're gonna open up the rest of them. So here you can see there's supposed to be 3 triangles. One here, 1, 2, 3. So now take the one in the middle, put your finger in, and push it down. Repeat for the other side. So 3 triangle, 1, 2, 3. Take the one in the middle. Okay, so take the one in the middle and then push it down. So you will flatten the other 2. Sorry, my voice is kind of weird today. And make sure all the corners are flat. Okay, now turn to the other side. with this triangle, you can see like there are two sides of them. So you want to take one, just take it out here and then fold it. So you have three now, and then there's one on the other side. So you also want to take it, separate it. Okay, now you got this thing. Now turn back to the other side. What you want to do is fold in the corner. So for two of them, there's a small triangle on the top. So you want to unfold the triangle and then fold that once at a time. So one triangle and then the outside triangle. For this one, you don't have to do that. Just fold the two triangle in. Now for this one, there's a triangle on the top, unfold it, and then fold the big triangle in. It doesn't have to be perfect though, but it's highly recommend. Then I'll repeat for this side. Okay, so now with all that the corner fold, turn back to the other side. Okay, so now this is the last step. So you want to take your finger, forefinger, hold on to it, and twist. And maybe like fixing it a little bit afterward. Just put it in a hole like this and try to twist them to make a rose shape. That's it. Okay. Alright, we got a rose right here, y'all.